No. No. No.
You are.
Yeah, shut up, honestly.
You're gonna, you know what? Next summer you're gonna be wearing your spring.
When you're funky.
Bottom line is we need to get a dog for protection. Like if someone tried to break into our house, I'd want to make sure that they were immediately terrified.
Oh my god. Oh, what a good.
There's two.
Oh my god! Ma'am, that is not ladylike.
Oh no. Don't move. Why are you so afraid of that?
Boy. Damn, boy, he's thick, boy! You dare speak to me in that tone of voice, boy?
Oh, you mother.
You know, it was the weirdest thing. There was a dog stuck in a tree. The dude told me if I didn't pet his dog, he was gonna hit me in the face. So, there wasn't even a dog near me. This just appeared. The wind blew it. I didn't pet a dog.
I'm in a good mood. Turn this shit up. Champ.
So retro.
Bro, like I'm dead. You killed me. I'm dead now.
Where's it at?
They're just hanging out with it.
Is it alive?
Come here. What are you guys doing? You're supposed to get it.
See, Blue would do the same thing. I bet you they're just fucking it up and not killing it. Do you think we could open the front door and get it out with that broom?
I tried to bribe him, but this cat knew what was coming and he was prepared for war.
Good cat.
He has a precisely calculated battle method. Pretend to be calm and laid back, and then take me by surprise. His name is Riesling, and he's a 2-year-old British Longhair. What is it with the British cats and their attitude? Riesling is covered in mats, which is the reason why he's here today.
Don't hiss at me.
Even though he doesn't like this, it's necessary to get done for his comfort and his health. Still, his facial expressions suggest that he would like to turn my face into his scratch post.
I'm making you feel better. It's okay. There. It's all out.
He had some extremely bad matting behind his ears, and I was genuinely concerned that I was not going to be able to get it out. But despite his looks of death, he actually was very good for this, and I was able to relieve him from his pain. I learned pretty quickly that he's okay with anything in his front end being touched. He is just not okay with his back end being touched. And I guess I can't say I blame him.
Good cat. But I have to scrub your dirty behind.
It wasn't long before Pippi Longstocking decided to get his vengeance.
Please don't swat. Made a run for it. What the just happened?
Riesling was smart enough not to let me know his next move. For obvious reasons, we blow-dried him in the rage cage.
Okay, relax. You're okay. Are you peeing? Oh. What just fell on my shoe?
Poop.
Since I removed all of his matting and got him clean, I decided to end the grooming session today because Riesling was clearly very stressed out. Now, if you'll excuse me, I need a glass of wine.
You 你还给我摆回去。
Ocean, let the cat go. Let the cat go.
Basketball. Teach me to set a pick against my 17-year-old son.
Nope.
Karate. Oh shit.
Walking you or you walking me? Oh, I'm walking you.
Är det roligt? Nej men gud.
Who let the dogs out?
His tail. Oh.
Que no.
Hello.